I know exactly what kind of person you are based on how you play D&D. You thought being in charge would be fun, but now you're the unpaid therapist for your friend's terrible decisions, and you spend hours building a rich, immersive world only for the party to ignore it and start a tavern brawl. Your solution to every problem is, let's see what happens if I poke it. You think roleplay means creatively making everyone else regret their decisions, and the DM spends more time cleaning up your messes than planning the actual story. You have the player's handbook memorized like it's scripture, but you're the first to cry when the DM makes a house rule, and your idea of combat is arguing about initiative rolls for 30 minutes. You spent 3 hours optimizing your character, but forgot to give them a personality, and you know every spell, feat, and loophole, but still can't remember your backstory because you're not playing a character, you're playing a spreadsheet with legs. You speak in an accent nobody asked for, you cry every time your character does, and you wrote a 15-page backstory that you expect the DM to read in its entirety. Your only goal is to derail the story, and if there's a big red button, you'll push it before the DM even finishes describing it. Your character never talks, but you monologue about the history of magic items for 20 minutes, you know more about the Forgotten Realms than the person who wrote it, and you're basically the DM's unpaid assistant whether they like it or not. You're only here because your friends wouldn't stop pestering you, so you created a character whose name is Guy with a personality that can be summed up with the singular word exists, and you roll your dice like you file your taxes, slowly and with dread.